Imagine someone gives you a large amount of capital to trade with, and by the end of the day, you are keeping most of the profit. Let's say 70, 80, up to 90% profit, and in some cases, 100% of the profit. Sounds crazy, right? That is exactly what a prop firm does. What is a prop firm? A prop firm is an institution that gives you a large amount of money. Imagine you are a trader and you don't have capital to start trading, but you have the knowledge to trade, right? This is why I personally use HyroTrader, and I recommend HyroTrader to every beginner trader out there that want to scale using prop firm. Why HyroTrader is the best prop firm and a crypto prop firm for that matter is because you have a large varieties of pairs to trade. You have over 1,000 crypto pairs, including gold and some currencies. But when you compare that to series of other prop firm we have in the industry, you get to see that most don't have 40 or over 50 pairs to trade from. But when it comes to HyroTrader, because it's integrated directly on Bybit, you have access to trade a lot of crypto. Talking about clear rules, right? Because when you want to trade with a prop, you want to be sure that they give you clear rules, no hidden rules, right? So HyroTrader is that prop that give you clear drawdown, clear targets, and clear rules, and a convenient environment for you to be able to trade. You can use the trailing accounts, and you can also use the balance-based drawdown. So which is like in trading terms, in technical trading terms, we are saying equity based and balance based. So HyroTrader gives you the both. It's not like any other prop here. You have some props that are just equity based, and you have some other props that are balance based. But the truth about it is that when you are picking a balance based prop, you are actually going to pay more in getting that prop. That's the simple truth. And when you are picking a trailing based, it's literally free. Another part where it gets interesting is when we talk about payouts. Now, you agree with me that most props you've heard of, most props you know, will pay you bi-weekly or monthly, and you get to pay more to even get the bi-weekly payouts or the monthly payouts. But on HyroTrader, we run daily payouts on HyroTrader, right? You make profit for the day and you take your profit, you withdraw your profit just like you do on a normal day trading futures on Bybit, right? So it gives you that access and that convenience that when you have bad trading days, it doesn't affect your payout. And I've been talking about this from the beginning of the video, and yes, you can trade a prop directly on Bybit, and that is where we have HyroTrader. Most other crypto props, trade on MT5. You will agree with me that as a crypto trader, it is difficult sometimes for crypto traders to adjust to using MT5 to trade. And HyroTrader gives you that access to trade directly on Bybit, trade your futures, trade your spots directly on Bybit using prop. And this is made possible by integrating the HyroTrader APY to Bybit, which gives you that leverage to trade directly on Bybit futures or spots. And if you trade crypto already, you get exactly what I'm saying, right? Because the difference between using an exchange to trade and using MT5 to trade crypto is crypto we are talking about, not currency. There is a large difference in using features, right? Because then imagine you are trading BTC USD. How do you calculate your position sizing on making that particular trade on MT5? You get to use lot sizes. It is not convenient. You go over and trying to get it right over and over again. You use one lot size, two lot size, three lot size. That is exactly why I prefer to use HyroTrader as a crypto prop. And why you should also use it, and people is also meant for, it's meant for beginners, people that want to scale. Imagine you have 10, 20, $30. When are you going to scale the amount of money to thousands of dollars if you don't have access to prop firms? Pay the little fee and let the prop take the risk for you. And then by the end of the day, you take the higher percentage, not just beginners, intermediates, and professionals too, that look at scaling up into larger capitals. If you want to get started or want to learn more, check the link in the description below. And if this video made you understand exactly what prop firm is all about, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and share to your friends and family that are into crypto, or people that want to get into crypto or trading in general.